Have you ever sat watching a fly buzzing around and wondered, how could you possibly catch it? For humans, we might use a fly swatter, a sticky trap, or simply clap our hands fast enough. But what about plants? Could a plant ever do such a thing? The answer may surprise you. There is indeed a plant that knows how to catch and eat insects. That plant is the Venus Flytrap, one of the most famous plants in the world. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating journey of this little plant, from how it hunts and eats, to the reason why it must live in such an unusual way. When you think of predators in nature, you probably picture lions on the savanna, eagles in the sky, or sharks lurking in the ocean. But surprisingly, one of the most incredible hunters doesn't even move. It simply lies still, patient, and waiting. The Venus flytrap is a small carnivorous plant, naturally found in only a very narrow region in North and South Carolina, USA. Its home is the swamp, poor in nutrients, harsh, and seemingly unfit for many plants to survive. Yet, right here, this plant has evolved a unique survival strategy, making it an icon in the plant kingdom. The feature that made the Venus flytrap famous is its green jaw-like trap, lined with spiky teeth along the edges. It looks almost like a miniature animal trap, but instead of hunting deer, it targets tiny insects. Inside the trap are tiny hair-like structures, called trigger hairs. On each side of the trap, there are exactly 3, arranged in a triangular pattern. These hairs act as the plant's radar system, allowing it to detect movement. When an ant, a fly, or a spider accidentally touches one of the hairs, an electrical signal instantly travels across the leaf surface. It's like a form of nerve impulse in the plant world. But here's something even more fascinating. The Venus flytrap doesn't snap shut immediately. If it reacted too quickly, it would waste a lot of energy on harmless things, like raindrops or falling leaves. So the plant has evolved a clever strategy. After the first touch, it waits 20 to 30 seconds. If within that time another hair is triggered, the plant confirms it's real prey. And only then, bam! The trap snaps shut in just 100 milliseconds, faster than the blink of an eye. Once closed, the sharp teeth along the leaf edges interlock, like prison bars, locking the prey inside. The insect panics, struggling desperately to escape. But the more it moves, the more hairs it touches, causing the trap to tighten even further. After 1 to 2 hours, the trap seals completely with no gaps. And that's when digestion begins. The Venus flytrap begins secreting a digestive enzyme, functioning much like the stomach acid of animals. These enzymes break down the soft tissues of the insect, turning it into a kind of nutrient soup that the plant can absorb. This meal is anything but rushed. It lasts between 5 and 12 days. During that time, the insect gradually dissolves until only its hard exoskeleton, made of chitin, remains, which the plant cannot digest. When the feast is over, the trap slowly reopens, letting the dry remains fall to the ground. And then, the plant is ready to hunt again. You might be wondering, plants can photosynthesize to produce energy from sunlight, so why does the Venus flytrap need to eat insects? The answer lies in its habitat. The swampy soils where the Venus flytrap grows are extremely poor in nutrients, especially nitrogen, which is essential for growth. That's why, in addition to photosynthesizing for sugar, the plant needs another nutrient source, and insects are the perfect supplement. In other words, carnivory isn't a strange hobby. It's a survival strategy that allows the Venus flytrap to thrive where most plants cannot. Here's a surprising fact. Despite its name, flytrap, only about 5% of its diet is actually flies. Most of its meals consist of ants, spiders, and small ground-dwelling insects. Any creature that wanders into those green jaws is almost certain to become dinner. The Venus flytrap is not just a strange carnivorous plant. It's a testament to the limitless creativity of nature. In a harsh, nutrient-poor environment, it has evolved into an extraordinary hunter with a mechanism that is both simple and sophisticated. It reminds us that even the quietest, smallest beings have their own extraordinary ways of surviving. And next time you see a Venus flytrap in a plant shop or laboratory, remember, you're looking at one of the most remarkable silent killers in the plant world.